Alright, good day everyone. My name is Oluwaseun Olubemi. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create motion graphic using Intro app. So yesterday we make use of Legend app. So without wasting our time, let's go to the Play Store and download it. I have it on my phone already. You just go to your Play Store and download. Let me open it. Now this is how the interface of the app look like. So in your own case, you might not see any graphics there because it's your first time. So let me explain little things about this. First, this app has premium version. It has premium version, so you can subscribe. Another one is this that look like play. That is where you will edit your project. Okay, this one is where your projects are, your previous projects. That is where you find them. So let me just click it. You see these are some works that I've done. So next, let's click on display. Now these two types, you can create text video and you can create intro video. You know, I told you about Legend app that you can create intro video. The same thing applies to this also. So if you want to create text only, you can also change the background of the you can choose from your depending on what you want to create. You can choose pictures, you can leave it as text. So let's make use of first one, create text. Now these are the ratios I told you about. As you can see, 9:16, 16:9. So you can choose any of the ratio depending on what you want to do, depending on the social media you want to post your video. But if we want to make use of the YouTube, you can make use of 16:19, and you must make sure that the video you want to use, the image you want to use for your video must be 16:9, because if you use 19:16 on 16:9, it will not be okay. It will not fit the entire canvas. Okay, it will not fit the entire canvas. You can't compare the image of this with this. Okay, all right. So let me make use of 16:9. Next, you just click on this mark. Okay, let me click on it. So as you can see now, next is all this one you are seeing here are all these are transactions that you can use as Legend app that we make use of. So these are the transactions. Let me just choose this one. As you can see, so you can choose any of the transactions that you like. Okay, let me just make use of this. Now next is the color. You can change the textures of the video you want to use. You can change the textures. You can choose any of the textures that you like depending on what you want to do. Okay, and as you can see, next that this, let me show you this line. You can reduce the opacity of the color. Let me just play it. Just make as you can see that this thing, the background fade. The background, just please pay attention to this. Let me just put this again. As you can see, the background fade. As you can see, so you can reduce the opacity of the background. Okay, next is the font. you can choose any of the fonts that you like. Rather, you can choose any of the fonts depending on what you want to do. As you can see, you can change the fonts. Make sure you use the font that is well okay. The second one here is good. All right, now you can change the background. So you can choose image of your business. You can choose image of your business. For example, now let me just choose, although I didn't download the image, but I'll just choose any, so that for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, let me just choose this. Let me use it. Now this is what I'm telling you. As you can see that the image that I chose did not fit the the 19 by 9 that I used. Okay, so in your own case also, any image you want to, you make sure that it corresponds with the canvas that you want to use. Okay, make sure that it corresponds. All right, so I didn't use that image, so that is another thing that you need to put at the back of your mind. Now you can remove the watermarks of this video. You can remove the watermarks. So let me just click on it. It will bring some option. Now can you see? You can read all these things in your leisure time, but in your case, just choose no. So, and once you choose no, you have to choose watch now. So if you don't choose watch now, it might not remove. Okay, so when you choose watch now, it will bring some ads, so you have to be patient and watch the ads. So for now, I will choose watch now, and I will pause the video. All right. Oh, so I'm done with the ad. So I'm done with the ad, and the next thing that we are going to do is to save our project. If you want to save your project, your video, your work, just click on it and save. I should have successfully saved your project. So write your own text. Okay, as I did on the Legend app. So write your own text after the other. Write your own text, create your own text, your own video, one after the other, and after that we merge it on the insert. Okay, so that will be all for this video. Thank you and God bless you.